Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to prepare olives, and to add them as a salad toppings. The olives are marinated in salty water. First, we will remove the pit. We'll use a hammer for that. There are also pit remover tools in the market, but by using the hammer, we also remove some of the sour juice that the olive has accumulated. All these steps are very easy to follow, and you can have in your salad a great topic that is healthy and very tasty. These olives are produced in a place that is facing the Mediterranean Sea. The variety is great for consumption as a salad toppings. Please comment below if you want to learn more about the place and the olives that the area produce. I will replay accordingly. Thank you. When I'm in the kitchen, I do prefer to do multiple things as time permit, so the table can have great variety of dishes. Healthy food and mix of dishes will make the family time even more lovely. If you are curious to know what it is in the oven, please follow me for the next video. And if you like to be the first one to know, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. It is a beautiful day today. Spring weather with plenty of sun. Kids are playing outside. But the little one decided to check what I'm preparing. Then she decided to join and help me. This way she will learn the tradition as well. In a small bowl, we will chop some fresh garlic. Then we'll add some lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, and salt. We'll mix well all together. These are the most marinating topics present in the Mediterranean cuisine. Please let me know if you use any other toppings in your kitchen. The comments section below will be a great place to share your secret ingredients. I will be happy to learn and taste some new recommended flavors. Thank you. It took like 5 minutes to prepare the olives. 5 minutes spent well. What do you think? It is worth? I think yes. All the family will have a great salad for lunch. Now, let's prepare a salad. We'll use cabbage, onions, oranges, and the just marinated olives. All fresh ingredients that combine together will give a pleasant and unique taste. The goal is to use a variety of items, to eat healthy and experience great family moments around the table. Do you agree with me? If so, please like and share this video with your family and friends.
That's hot. Mommy, I need cold. I need cold. Oh, that's hot. I just shush. It's cold better. Cold is better, Mommy. Wash my thing on my dad. Wash. Washing my thing.
Overall, it takes less than 10 minutes to prepare some great dishes. One item that is not present in the video is the white cheese. You can add that to in a small plate, or you can chop it in the salad as well. There is no limit on the combination. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't seen my other videos yet, in the screen is a great one to watch.